First, to transfer Apple Music playlists to Spotify, please use TunePat Apple Music Converter. The program has two entrances. If you are using a Mac computer and want to retain the lossless sound quality of Apple Music, it is recommended to choose the APP entrance. And the web player entrance is more convenient and easy to operate, and you can get the audio content you want at 10x conversion speed. When you select web player, you will see a home interface. You can enter the Settings panel from the lower left corner of the menu bar. Here you can customize various parameters. TunePat Apple Music Converter supports a variety of commonly used audio formats. Please choose one that is compatible with Spotify and supports importing. In addition, if you want your Apple Music playlists to be output and arranged in the original order, you need to set the output file name and output organized as above. After completing the settings, return to the web player window. You can pop it up manually by clicking the Open the Web Player window button on the home interface. You need to first ensure that you have successfully logged into your Apple ID and that you have a valid Apple Music subscription. Now open any playlist you want to download. You can see that the note-shaped Add button on the lower right side changes from gray to clickable blue. Click this button to start reading and loading the contents of this playlist. The titles will be displayed in the pop-up window. You can turn on the Filter Converted button to filter out local duplicate songs. Manually select the songs you want. Click the Add button to add it to the interface to be converted. Click Convert on this interface to start the conversion process. You just need to be patient now. Leading decoding technology can save you valuable time. By clicking this Show in Windows Explorer, you can see that your Apple Music playlist has been saved locally on your computer. After you successfully obtain the Apple Music local files, the next thing you need to complete is to upload these audio files to Spotify. Run the Spotify app on your computer and log into your Spotify account. Click on your avatar profile icon and select Settings. Scroll down to find the Words Your Library. Turn on the button to the right of Show Local Files. Different sources are listed below. Click the Add a Source button below. Find the path you just set and open the folder. Click OK to confirm. Then it's done, you can play Apple Music playlists on Spotify. The video ends here, see you next time.